In this video, we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios up to transformations, exercise 6F, fourth problem. First bit, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Now, in the solution, given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi 180 degrees, and from this, so a plus b is equal to pi minus c, and from this c is equal to pi minus of a plus b. Now what is given LHS? So LHS is given here cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 and plus cos square c by 2. So here this cos square b by 2 is writing as 1 minus sin square b by 2 and plus this cos square c by 2 is writing as it is, and one writing in the beginning, and plus cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2, so treating as one term, and plus this is cos square c by 2. Now here we have the standard formula like cos square a by 2 minus cos square b by 2, cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2. Here we have the formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. We have the formula cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 is equal to, so cos a plus b into cos a minus b, we have the formula. So now here this cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2, here cos square a minus sin square b means we have the formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b. But here cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2, so we have the formula, that means cos square a minus sin square b means we have the formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b, and cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 means we have to write that, so 1 plus cos a plus b, that is a by 2 plus b by 2, and here cos a minus b, that is a by 2 minus b by 2, and plus cos square c by 2, plus cos square c by 2. See, observe here we have a plus b is equal to pi minus c, and a plus b by 2 is equal to here, so pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now here also we can write that, so 1 plus cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is, we can write 90 minus c by 2, and here cos a by 2 minus b by 2 is writing as it is, and plus cos square c by 2, plus cos square c by 2. See further here, so we have that cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, which is equal to, so sin theta we have, so that's why here, so 1 plus cos 90 minus c by 2, which is sin c by 2, into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, and here plus cos square c by 2, that plus cos square c by 2 is writing as it is now. So here we know that, so cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We have the identity, so cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So that's why here 1 plus sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, and here this cos square c by 2, here theta is c by 2, so that's why we can write here 1 minus sine square c by 2. See, observe here, 1 plus 1 is 2, and plus in these two terms you can take sine c by 2 is common, then we get cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, and here after taking the sine c by 2 common, one more sine c by 2 is left over. So now here again we have c is equal to pi minus of a plus b, and c by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 2. So that's why here c by 2 is replaced by, so 2 plus sine c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, and here minus sine 90 minus of a plus b by 2, we can replace that c by 2. So then again it is sine 90 minus theta, now which is like sine 90 minus theta. We know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that's why we can write it as 2 plus sine c by 2 into here cos a by 2 minus b by 2, and here so sine 90 minus a plus b by 2 is also can be written as cos a plus b by 2, that is also further can be written as a by 2 plus b by 2. Now which is like cos a minus b, we have the formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, so which is equal to, we have 2 sin a sin b, we have 2 sin a sin b, so that's why here cos a by 2 minus b by 2 and minus cos a by 2 plus b by 2, that is 2 sin a sin b, which is equal to 2 plus sin c by 2 into 2 sin a sin b, a is a by 2 into b sin b by 2. So further, so which is equal to 2 plus 2 sin a by 2, so into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, so which is equal to, if you take 2 common, so we can write it as 1 plus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2, sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 into sin c by 2, which is only we have to prove that right hand side 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So like this we can prove that.